we got a crazy problem. I had to cancel my load and all because of this thing right here. Yo, it won't turn on. Look at this. Power on. No power. So we came at the reefer shop. These guys right here. Hopefully they can fix it. So let me tell you what we did. We hooked up jumper cables. We did everything. All that good stuff. We lost $4,000 load. That's crazy, man. I'm trying to convince my boss to give me one of these units. Brand new, baby. Let's go. Maybe we can get one of those on there. We thought it was a main amp fuse, little fuse. I put a brand one in there. Nothing. But battery has power. We did the wrench key trick to the starter. Almost electrocuted myself. Luckily, I didn't die. But hey, everything works. The screen won't turn on. Has this happened to you before? Let's G.